It's pretty important. The bunkers play a major part in the logistics at harvest time, because without the bunkers, I think the header would be pulled up waiting for trucks, or sometimes it's very hard to source trucks in the middle of harvest. So we've found it keeps the harvest rolling quite quickly or quite well, which is a big thing when you've got weather around and you want to keep the header moving. This bunker behind us has got wheat in it, and there's 700 tonne of wheat in that one. We just constructed this one out of some topsoil that was left here from where we made some laneways that we took off. Labour wise, as far as putting the grain in the bunker, it's pretty simple. We've just got a swing away auger. One guy's here at the bunker unloading, and another guy's just ferrying the trucks from the paddock to the bunker, and that system works pretty well. It's definitely a cheap way of doing it. I think it's costing us either side of $10 a tonne per year to do what we do here. So if you want to carry a lot of grain on farm and you want to do it in an economical way, this is probably the way to go. If you've got a spot on your farm where you can put it where water will drain away, and it's going to work for you that way. It's a cheap way of storing grain on farm.